Okay guys, here's another Amazon product review. This time it's a digital microscope. Let's take a look and see what's inside. Alright. We have the destruction manual. Looks like we have a control unit. Alright, get rid of the plastic. Alright, we have the base, and looks like we got USB plug-in, an SD card, 32 gigs, fantastic. I can always use those, especially a simple fact that I don't have to go out and purchase one, right? So I guess that's going to screw right in there. That was easy. Those are going to be the lights, right? So I imagine we can bend those into shape like that. Just drop that in. Tighten it up. Okay guys, I'm going to take a look at that mercury dime, see if I can get a date on there. Let's turn this thing on. I got the mercury dime sitting right underneath it. It's already lined up perfectly. And take a look at that. We can see already. I'm going to zoom in. I don't know how well you guys can see, but I can adjust the height on this and go down a little bit so I can zoom in. And then just a little dial on the inside of this neck allows me to adjust that to where it is a perfect view. We got these side lights right here. If I reach around the back, I can turn those on. Oops. That's why there's two USB cords. One's for the lights, one's for the monitor. Okay. And no, the monitor is charged. I charged up the monitor, so it is working on wireless on batteries, but the lights are plugged into the USB. Okay, so I can clearly see 1944. I don't think the camera angle is all that great, so you don't see it as clear as I do. But right here, this little OK button, I can actually record it. So let's actually center that a little bit better. Take that, 1, 2, 3. Finish that recording, and then I can put it in the video. Turn this over so you can see. So this is an adjustable arm. It just goes up and down. So if you are going to get super close, which we'll do here in a little bit, you can drop that all the way down, or if you need like a larger coin or something like that, you can take it all the way back up. Okay. Now these two things have lights, and there is I have it plugged in right now. So all you got to do is move that over and the lights come right on in. So that makes it real easy, and then when you turn this thing on, you just hold it down, turns right on. It also has a light that pops on. See the light that pops on there as well. Let's take a look at this pendant that I found. It says something on the back and I couldn't read it. From that angle, look, there is a surfer, says Sterling Bob. I can clearly see the initials Bob on there, and I am a surfer. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit record right now. There we go, it's recording. It says I am a surfer, Bob. It's got a surfer. And it says Sterling, like 1 meta. Flip that over. St. Christopher. I could zoom in a little bit better. Turn it a little bit more light on. Subject. There we go. Yep. Now you can see it. St. Christopher, protect us. So what happened is he lost his pendant. Hope he's okay. Alright, Bob, I got your pendant. Also, I found a dime out there. Let's see if we can get a date on this dime. 60. I'm going to take that down. We're going to go really down. Okay, I really got in on the zoom on that dime. Now you can really tell it says 1964. So I really like this thing so far. It's been pretty sweet. And thank you so much for sending me to try this Opqpq digital microscope. It was a lot of fun testing it, and I know I'm going to be showing you guys a lot of this more often in my videos. And starting on Monday, December 6th, you get 10% off if you use the promo code, and that promo code is in the video description below. And I think that's going on for the next couple weeks. So guys, this is a fantastic little tool, and it would make a great little stocking stuffer, guys. So I hope you like it, and I really enjoyed the Opqpq digital microscope. So if you like this video, please click like. If you'd like to see more, consider subscribing, ringing this bell, and receive all the notifications every time I release a new video. And please take a look at this video right here.